Now we come to the moment where our club president makes the presidential address, and it gives me huge pleasure to introduce to you again Thinusha Bamunuarachchi from Sri Lanka, our club president. Thinusha, the stage is yours.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Paul. I'm from Sri Lanka, dear Toastmasters and guests. A rainbow is a beautiful scenery for the eyes. Music is the best therapy for the ears. A rainbow is formed due to a combination of colors. Similarly, music is formed due to a combination of notes. Toastmasters is the same. Alone, we can make changes, but together, we can change the world. Today, we see this potential. During the storms of 2020, this club saw the sun and led members to see the rainbow. During a time when separation was a focus, this club saw a potential to unite people from all over the world for a one purpose: to learn not just about how to be better leaders and better communicators, but also to learn about each other as humans. But not just any rainbow, a rainbow that spans the entire globe with more colors than you can imagine. A rainbow needs sunshine and rain at the right time. Similarly, I am committed to serving this club. Together, we will keep it shining like a rainbow. To clear any doubts you have, allow me to share my story. 20 years ago, I was a stammering child who was afraid of public speaking. Later on, I developed self-confidence with Toastmasters. I became the emerging Toastmaster, best speaker of the club, and became the outstanding Toastmaster of District 82 in last year. One Country, One World is an outstanding club filled with pioneers in leadership and public speaking. I am happy to serve this wonderful club with 20 distinguished Toastmasters and encourage others to reach their full potential. Dear Toastmasters, it is a privilege to serve this club as the president. I am committed to this club and its success. This club is unique as an unrestricted club. We will be able to bring the best practices from all over the world to share with others. Let's connect with each other, respect each other, grow with each other, and make this world a better place. Just like a rainbow, we are able to bring hope during this storm. We are Toastmasters of One Country, One World Advanced Toastmasters Club.